So, oh, there goes Charlie. What you're looking at here is along the back fence row. And I have been using potted plants because I wasn't sure what we were going to do with this area. But over here are the new plans. So these are collapsible raised garden beds. And I'm going to start putting them together and getting them in position in replace of all these potted plants. Stay tuned. So the pots have been moved. Step one, now I'm going to rake up all of the leaves, get things leveled out, and then begin putting in the container gardens. Okay, so here we have 2 garden boxes deep, and I have this many left, so I'm trying to decide if I'm going to start working on the other side, doing the same container planting. We have blueberries and raspberries and strawberries growing over there, so I'm just trying to mentally map out how disruptive it would be, but I am able to make these a little taller if I choose. So I'm just gonna take a minute before I start filling in the base with cardboard, and then the next layer is gonna be compost, and then the top layer will be the soil. So we'll see. More to come.